Hi guys, welcome back. So today we got a unboxing of Xiaomi Mi A3 and this image reveal lot of information of Xiaomi Mi A3. First come first, the Mi A3 box come with very whitish color and there is a also mentioned 3 color scheme on Mi A3 box. On the top there is a logo Mi and written on Mi A3 on box. If we look at the inside of the box, there is a USB Type-C, only 18 watt fast charger and device itself. So coming to the device itself, on the front there is a written Mi A3 and also mentions some specifications such as 48 megapixel AI triple camera with ultra wide angle sensor. There is a 32 megapixel selfie camera, also 4030 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging. There is a in-display fingerprint sensor and the device will comes with 6.08 AMOLED display. And one of the very interesting thing is that the smartphone comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 and the device comes with Android One programming, and the device also comes with a water drop notch, and on the back there is a triple camera setup with LED flash, and there is another mention that the smartphone comes with dual SIM card with micro SD card, so that's interesting. So look at the top of the smartphone, there is a 3.5mm headphone jack, ear blaster and secondary mic, and on the bottom of the smartphone there is a USB Type-C and speaker grill. On the right of the smartphone there is a volume rocker and power button, and on the left of the smartphone there is a SIM tray. So these are some information according to this media invite. The Xiaomi Mi A3 will be launched on July 25 at Warsaw, Poland. So there is still no information about when the smartphone will be launched in India. So stay tuned for further information. So thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know your thought in the comment section. I will catch you next video. Till then, goodbye.